What is friendship?
It's kindness and empathy, compassion. Friendship is being kind and when someone is on the playground and doesn't have anyone to play with, we can play with them, or when they're hurt and fell down from a big equipment, when they were high up, we can take them to the school's what was that one again? Nurse. I forgot the name of it. My friend, she shows kindness when I'm on the playground, when I'm hurt or broken heart. She hugs me. A good friend means you have to be respectful. When someone's ice cream is on the floor, you can share your ice cream if they are really hungry.
What are some nice things you can do for a friend?
Share the Cheetos with everyone. Have a tea party and share the glass cups. Bring them a card or a bracelet. Or make them a picture.
Is there anything you should not do or say to a friend?
We cannot say stupid. We can never ever say that. That'll make someone's heart really sad. And you should not say that you can never play with us when someone's being nice to the other friend.
If you see a friend who looks lonely, what can you do?
If they're left alone, I can come to them, play with them, and sit next to them if they don't have anyone to sit next to.
Learn more about making friends over at the Britt and Allie Puppet Show on YouTube. Join us for more fun on the Learning Patch. Click on a video here, subscribe, hit the bell, and stay in touch. Thanks for watching.